Hello, this video is going to be on the new Target bag chain straps. And these are all of them. They're really at a good price point. So they're $10 each. The small one is $5. I know some of you are like, well, I could get mine on eBay. I can get mine on whatever. They're basically costing the same with shipping and tax, except it's already here. You can go to your local Target and get these. So these are great for if you're missing a strap for your bag, for bandolier, or to make an instant clutch. So let me show you the straps. So here is one. It's really long. I'm guessing that these are at least 12 inches on each side, and it could be a little bit more. And it's a purse strap from the company A New Day. $10. And they're just really nice straps. So here's the tortoise. There's a light version, and then I believe this is the darker version. And I'll let you see the info in case you want to go online and order it. They also had this strap. So this strap comes in two different colors. It can come in this color, or they have right now the clear version. Here's the info. This is the only one that is not one that you can pull apart. So this version can come apart, and I'll show you really quick. So they have these little junctions, and so you can shorten it. You can buy two and lengthen it. So let's find an opening. See, pulls apart like this. But I wouldn't pull it apart. I just keep it at the same length. Now this strap right here was from another bag from Forever 21. I no longer have those bags. They were too small. But I did keep the chain straps. And you can add it to any type of bag to make it a clutch, as long as you have a ring at the end. And these also come apart. To find it junction to junction. But that's how you do that. So if you have any bag that has two hooks at the end, this is my Gucci gold Babushka. I think it's the Babushka bag, and it has two rings right here. I don't have the original strap, so I can take this strap and add it on. So this just has a button, and you just pull, get these out, and then you just clip it right here. Clip it at the other end. And there. And this is super long. This is great. There we go. And then it becomes a shoulder bag instead of having to have it in your hands. I'm going to leave it on like that for a second. And then if you want a little, contrast, you can either use the tortoise shell, which would be really classy with this bag. And then if you want a little bit more fun, you could add a multicolor. Now they did have a matte blue, a dark kind of pink, a matte green. I'm surprised they didn't have a white version. But just like with that Gucci, so this is my other Gucci. Has the little hooks. So this did not come with the strap. It says Gucci right here. But you could add this onto this. Let's see if it's... Yep, no problem. You can add 2 straps if you want to, and there you go. Then the bag becomes this multicolor situation instead of just being plain white, and that gives it a little bit of more fun to the bag than your normal just gold bag. And then the last 2, which I forgot to mention. So they also have the crystal strap. Now this comes in this color and it comes in a black. So here is the information right here for you. It's the crystal strap. And I'm going to show you all the beautiful crystals. So this is braided with 3. Just very nice. And these are all the same length. So let's just, yeah, they're basically all the same length. And then they have this one, which is the half size. So this one is only $5, and I'll give you the information on that. So they also had great purses and shoes that go with these accessories. So check it out. I might purchase one. I don't know. They're these cute little pouch bags that remind me of the Valentino One Stud Mini. And if they have a mini, I'm just assuming they do. And they're so cute because they come in dark green, light green, light. Well, if you saw my other video, the little clip, it shows in there some of the colors. So check that out. But I just wanted to show you that they have awesome bag straps at Target at really affordable prices. And so I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.